Go ahead, have a bite. How is it?
Guys, good morning, sunshine. Today we're gonna make oatmeal raisin cookies.
You'll need 2 sticks of butter, a cup of brown sugar, a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 3 cups of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of raisins, and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips.
Beat the butter into smooth. Brown and white sugar we're gonna pour it in. Now we'll add in 2 legs in the vanilla.
Legs.
Now add in 2 eggs in the vanilla. And the oats and the raisins and the chocolate. Only mix it for a little bit.
Spoon out.
Spoon out a ball of dough.
Spoon out 36 balls of dough. Go.
Spoon out with the butter dried. Spoon out 36 of butter dough. Spoon out 36
balls of dough.
Butter dough. Spoon out 36 balls
of dough.
Bake it for 15 minutes. Thank you for watching. Have a good breath.
Say have a good day.
Have a good day.
And God bless.
And God bless. And have a good breath. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe.
Go ahead, have a bite. How is it?
Guys.
You didn't even try it yet. You like it? Let me see you eat it. Is it good? You like it?